Guys, I'm back out here at the wood processor, the DIY wood processor, the homemade wood processor. Have the Stihl MS441C sitting up there, ready to cut me another face cord of wood. Now, I'm going to fill this basket up. I'm going to make 20-inch splits, and I'm going to change the way I stacked it this time. I'm going to try stacking it the other way. Now, once I get up here, something funny is going to happen. But these baskets are only, what are they, 37 by 45 approximately. So two 20 inches won't fit. And a little bit bigger, they're quicker to throw in the wood stove, and they're quicker to, I don't need as many rows. So I like my wood about 20 inches for my wood stove, and split to the size that my wife can handle it. So I'm going to try to turn them in sideways. Who knows? I've never done that before. I also swapped my splitter around. I saw John on frickin' Jeep. The way he does it, he has all his rounds there, he pulls them off, turns, and stacks his stuff up. Where I was trying to get it like this when this was turned 90 degrees. So I think this is going to be a better split it, stack it. So I'm going to give you a real time. Now I'm going to not go through the whole thing. I'll skip through it, I'm not going to make you watch the whole thing at real speed. I'll skip through, but I will show you the final results. There won't be any stoppage of this clock, and we'll just go from there. So I haven't even started anything, guys. So what I'm going to do to make this like a real honest situation, like every day at the wood yard, what you're doing. Everything, nothing's been started yet, so I'm going to cold start everything. If I don't have enough wood on the log deck, I'll get some more wood. That's part of the process. So whatever it takes. I'm suspecting it's going to be pretty quick. How fast? I don't know. But I do, I have a feeling, I'm thinking maybe 30 minutes by myself. Because you can see I have steps over here. I got to go up and down, then come over here. But I'm ready to rock and roll if you're ready to go, guys. Sometimes you just have to switch it. All right. And this will even include putting on my earmuffs, I'm not getting ready to go. Just like I always do. Take my time and let's do it. So here we go. Ready? And my back will feel good when we're done here, I hope. Okay, we're rolling. Put this up here. I use this for my music. So I'll move you around with the camera as well. That will take a little, a couple of minutes. Get this stuff out of my pocket. I don't think I'm going to need all. Yeah, let's leave this on for now. All right, cold start. Choke. Decompression valve. Make sure you don't smack anything. Loading it up had all kinds of branches sticking out. Wasn't cut round, so that was a problem. All right, let's see. If I run out of gas, we'll do that too. that was a nice maple. Let's go cut this oak now.
This log has been fighting me the whole way. It was hard to get on. It took about 5 minutes to get on. And here I'm going to spend another minute or two trying to unpinch the bar here. There's some down pressure on it on the end, so it's pinching as it closes back up to the top. And I couldn't get my saw out here. It took another minute or so. This is the kind of stuff that drives you batty. But it's very unusual for that to happen because I have the outfeed roller conveyor about a ½ inch below the infeed roller conveyor. That big knot that I just grabbed was the knot that was giving me problems. It got stuck in the conveyor rollers. I think I'll take my electric chainsaw out here from now on. That way I can just nip these off. That might make it much easier.
Let's head that way.
Now that log is causing me problems here at the HD Super Split. What happened is a piece of wood got shoved underneath the ram and I didn't realize it, and it got stuck out. That's the first time that's happened. So I go off, go get a wrench, come back, take it all apart. So this took a little over 10 minutes to fix all this.
Like it needs a little, something needs oil. Oh, there's a big piece of wood stuck under it. Right here. I bet that's it. Yeah. There we go. That's all it was, just a piece of wood.
Occasionally, the log will get hung up at the top, and I have to go over there and just push them down. If one gets hung up, sometimes they'll hang up a couple of them, and what happens is like a knot or two will get hung up on the edge of the conveyor.
Okay, let's go split.
I really need to get a set of steps on this side of the catwalk.
One hour and 2 minutes, guys. Way longer than I thought. So now I have something to shoot for. And I know I'll easily be able to knock 20 minutes off of that. Maybe even 30 minutes. Why? You saw what happened here. I got a piece of wood stuck under here. And I battled that for 10 minutes. I never had that happen before. But it got jammed up underneath the ram. And I didn't see it. And I could not figure out why it wouldn't go back. I was like, all the bearings are turning. And then my second log had a knot that was so worthy of all knots that it wouldn't roll on the roller. It was stuck out probably that far. I think I showed it to you in the video. And I battled that for probably 10 minutes, every bit of that. Just trying to get it on the conveyor and flipped over. So, yes, that can be beaten easily. And I'd like to do it with 2 people, and that will happen soon. But I like how it's stacked. Check that out. Not a bad way to split wood and stack it. I've never seen it stacked this direction, but for 20-inch wood for my boiler, it's stacked really good in here. I'm really happy with it. Now to see if we can pick it up. This is going to be heavy. Now this isn't probably quite a face cord due to the fact that it's not stacked much. I think you got to get about this high. About 6 inches over this. That piece is 9, but yeah, it's probably close to a face cord. It worked good. I do have some bugs I still want to work out of it. I like this arrangement. John from frickin' Jeep, he just turns around and stacks it, and I thought, wow, what a great way to do it. And maybe he has another basket off to the side he throws his other crap in. And I thought that was pretty slick. So that's a lot easier stacking it that way, and it's not hard getting it off the conveyor that way either. I like it. It's really, I'm comfortable. I'm not achy and no pain. If I was cutting firewood in the forest, 1 hour to cut this wood, it would take me every bit of an hour to cut this, pick it up off the ground, throw it in my trailer, drive it back to the wood yard to split, or even split it out there. It would take me way longer than an hour. Like I said, I think I can get to 30 minutes on this easily, just by myself. So we're gonna try that again next time. Okay guys, take care. We'll see you out here at the lumber yard, or the firewood yard, or whatever we're calling it now. Years past, I haven't taken you along with my wood cutting ventures, a little bit here and there, but I want to start getting into the firewood a little bit more on the videos. Seems like there's a big demand for it, and a big demand for ingenuity. So, kind of why I take you along with my conveyor. I really like it. I like how it worked out. So, take care. Now we'll see you next time.